The government has distributed 850 million pesos worth of assistance, programs, and services during the Tabang Bicol Tindog Oragon Relief Caravan in the Bicol region, benefiting thousands of victims of recent typhoon cyclones. PTV's Melanes Moras has the full details.
Due to the series of calamities that struck Albay, Eminent's family's home and farmland sustained damages, leaving them with almost nothing. That's why she is deeply grateful for the launching of the Tabang Bicol Tindog Oragon Relief Caravan by the House of Representatives in partnership with the DSWD and other agencies to help people like her recover from the catastrophic events.
Diyos ko po ma'am, nawalan kami ng mga hanap buhay, saka yung bahay namin talagang medyo naapektuhan talaga. Tapos yung mga panganap buhay namin, yung mga tanim talagang nasira. Ito po ay malaking na po sa amin tulong kasi po tulad po sa pagkain, sa pagpapaayos po ng mga yung konting po sa bahay.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez led this initiative in the Bicol region together with several other lawmakers. They visited Catanduanes, Albay, and Naga City as well as Pili in Camarines Sur, one after the other to distribute financial assistance, rice, and other forms of aid. In total, the government has provided around 850 million pesos worth of aid, programs, and services to about 170,000 beneficiaries in the region.
Tuwang-tuwa po kami kasi itong programa nating Tabang Bicol Tindog Oragon ay napaka-successful. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga local officials na tumutulong dito sa pagpaplano, pag-coordinate at siyempre sa lahat ng mga ahensya na tumutulong dito.
From the officials to the residents of the Bicol region, everyone expressed delight with this meaningful caravan.
Grabing pasalamat namin, maraming pasalamat namin na may dumating sa amin na tulong. Kahit pa paano makatulong sa amin.
Well, una-una mo ay yan po ang talagang tatak Romualdez, matulungin, may malasakit. Lahat po iniisip, katulad nung sa housing assistance po, siya mismo nakaisip sa mga. Tali, tawagan mo si Secretary Acosar kung anong pwede may tutulong. Tubig, kuryente dito sa Albay, lahat po yan ina-address po nating speaker.
From PTV Manila, Melanes Moras, Balitang Pambansa.